Welcome to Alvinsa Studio. Today, we're taking innovation to a whole new level as we explore the transformation of ordinary refrigerated containers into an extraordinary modern home. These once functional units have been reimagined into a stylish living space that's both sustainable and chic. From keeping things cool to creating the coolest home on the block, this project showcases how creativity can turn the unconventional into the extraordinary. Ready to see how it's done? Let's dive into this inspiring transformation, right here on Alvinsa Studio. Imagine turning export-ready refrigerated containers, originally for transporting frozen goods, into cozy, energy-efficient living spaces. This innovative concept from South Korea showcases how sustainability and modern design can combine to create durable, stylish, and practical homes. Energy efficiency and insulation. These containers are inherently insulated, designed to maintain stable internal temperatures while transporting perishable goods. With additional polyurethane foam insulation and airtight welded seams, the homes remain comfortable year-round, regardless of external weather conditions. This makes them perfect for extreme climates, offering both thermal efficiency and energy savings. Dimensions and portability. Length 12 meters, approximately 40 feet, height 3 meters, approximately 10 feet, width 2.4 meters, approximately 8 feet. These containers meet international size standards and are easy to transport using cranes, forklifts, or 10-meter vehicles, ensuring flexibility in relocation. The containers are built with reinforced steel and a fully welded structure, preventing sagging and ensuring long-term durability. This robust design allows them to span their full length without additional support, making them suitable for a variety of terrains. The interior design emphasizes open, partition-free spaces to maximize utility and comfort. Key areas include living area. Features: sleek black stainless steel accents, minimalist furniture, and an industrial chic aesthetic. Kitchen position near the entrance for convenience with space for modern appliances. Bathroom equipped with a trench drain system for efficient water management, complemented by stainless steel fixtures for durability. Sleeping area, separated by an open bookshelf for privacy while maintaining a spacious feel. The black-themed interior, combined with stainless steel finishes, creates a modern, elegant vibe. The floors are layered with urethane foam insulation and heating films, topped with warm flooring for added comfort. Pricing and additional costs. Base cost 33 million KRW, approximately 25,000 USD, excluding VAT, for a 40-foot refrigerated container. This includes front doors, windows, electrical work with light fixtures, floor heating, and bathroom finishing. Furniture. IKEA furniture package priced at 6.7 million KRW, about 5,000 USD, includes a bed, desk, bookshelf, sofa, 3 side tables, dining table, and sink. Shipping options. Choose free nationwide shipping within South Korea or receive a 400,000 KRW, around 300 USD discount. On-site installation. Costs for foundation stone, forklift, and crane range from 700,000 to 1.5 million KRW, 530 to 1,150 USD. Septic tank installation for 50 to 100 people. Costs around 3 million to 6 million KRW, 2,250 to 4,500 USD, including labor. Forklift rental fees range from 300,000 to 600,000 KRW, 230 to 460 USD for a day's use. Electricity setup. Installing a 3 kW general electricity system costs approximately 1.5 million KRW, 1,150 USD. Temperature control and air tightness. Airtight construction plays a critical role in these homes. The full welding technique prevents air leaks, enhancing both insulation and structural integrity. This air tightness ensures minimal temperature fluctuations, even without active heating or cooling systems, making the container home energy efficient and comfortable in all seasons. Practical applications and transport. These container homes are designed for mobility, making them ideal for a variety of uses, including permanent residences suitable for urban or rural settings. Vacation homes, easily relocatable for seasonal living. Emergency shelters, quick to deploy and highly durable. The standard corner castings allow easy handling and movement, whether by crane or forklift, ensuring seamless transportation and installation. Why choose a refrigerated container home? Well, it's all about sustainability. Repurposing refrigerated containers reduces waste and promotes eco-friendly living. Plus, there's durability to consider. These homes are built to withstand harsh conditions, offering long-term reliability. And don't forget about flexibility. The modular design allows for customization, from exterior finishes to interior layouts. This innovative housing solution is currently manufactured and available in South Korea, reflecting the country's commitment to sustainable and efficient living. Pricing for key features, such as the well-insulated door, is approximately 2,060,000 Korean won, which is about $1,600 US, showcasing the premium quality of the components. While the concept is new to the US market, it demonstrates exciting possibilities for reimagining shipping containers as modern homes. And that wraps up our journey of transforming refrigerated containers into a stunning modern home. It's amazing to see how creativity and innovation can turn something so ordinary into an architectural masterpiece. If you enjoyed this transformation and want to see more incredible home designs, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Alvinsa Studio. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update on our latest explorations. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next episode of Alvinsa Studio.